Hey everyone, it's Julie from Southern Pride Designs. Thank you for joining me today on our video. I'm going to be showing you some of the projects that we have created with our wood scraps. We had a ton of wood scraps left over from our holiday projects and all of our orders that we had, so we wanted to find a way to use them up so they weren't going to be wasted. So I want to share those ideas with you. They're great crafts for you and your family. My kids love joining me on things like this. If you're new here, please give us a thumbs up, a like, subscribe to our channel for more videos, and leave a comment down below what your favorite project is. And if you have any other project ideas, we'd love to hear them. Our first project that I'm going to show you is our rustic American flag made out of 2x4s and a 4x4. And I will put in the description the sizes and the measurements for everything so you have it. When we're all done painting, then we'll glue it up and it'll be ready to go on the mantle. And then the next project that I want to show you is my love blocks. So I thought these would be super cute to do like LOVE, right? Yeah, sorry, it might be backwards, but anyway, and make them look like kind of like baby blocks, and then I want to make them changeable so you can flip it over and want to have a heart on it, or like Be My Valentine or something like that, so that they're interchangeable and you can kind of change it up if you want to. So that's the other project that I want to show you. And again, these were just scraps that we had left over from our 4x4 projects. All right, and to paint these, I'm just going to use chalk paint. So I got the Waverly White Chalk, and I just got this from Walmart, and the Waverly Crimson Red, again from Walmart, and this is the Apple Barrel Bright Blue because it's matte, so the blue, I know it's not chalk paint, but it's not going to have a glossy look on it. This we obviously want to paint blue, so I'm going to paint that first. And I'm not getting high tech here. I am just going to put it on and use my foam brush to wipe it on. And after I've painted it, I am going to make it look a little more rustic. I'm thinking I want this to be a little bit darker because it is supposed to be like a rustic American flag. So I kind of want this to be a darker blue. That's very, very bright. But we'll wait and see what all the pieces look like when they're together. I won't be too quick to judge. I'm just going to paint one small one red and one small one white and one large one red and one large one white. So I can't screw that up. You can't screw it up. I used way too much white paint. I should not have poured that much on there. Okay, so my white ones are painted. I'm going to let them dry. And now I can start painting the red ones. And you want to save your white brush because you're going to be putting stars onto your blue block. Okay, now you're going to paint these ones. Red. I'm not going to pour as much as I did on my white one. So you want it to look like that when they're all done? Now I'm going to let all my pieces dry. I think my blue block's almost finished drying. And it doesn't really look too bad next to my red. I mean, it looks super bright, but I think it's going to look neat, and then I'll rusticate it. Okay. All right, so I got these stencils from Walmart. They came in this 46 pack of different designs, and I figured I would just use a couple of the stars out of here. And what I'm going to do, since this is dry, that is my back side, and that is my front side. So this is, you want to find out what side is going to be facing out in your flag. I actually think I need to paint this side because I'm wrong. But I'm just going to put a couple of stars on here. All right, so I'm going to use the stencil and try to show you. But I'm just going to hold it down and lightly sponge on top of it. And I'm okay if it doesn't completely cover the star because I want it to look distressed and rustic. Not exactly what I was looking for. And I'm afraid to put it on there, but not exactly what I wanted, but I think it'll be okay. And I'm going to do okay, so I got my 4 stars on there. Doesn't look horrible. And I'm going to save my stencil because I can always use it again. They're cardboard, but as long as you don't get them soaking wet, they're reusable. So while I'm waiting for that project to dry, I'm going to paint my blocks because I know I want one of them to be red, and I think I'm going to do 2 of them white and then 1 pink. I haven't decided, but I know I at least want 1 red and 1 white. And while I already have my brushes wet and I'm not wasting supplies, and I already have everything out, so I'm going to do both of these projects at the same time. And I'll have a Valentine's Day decor item to put up. And then I will have a 4th of July decor to put up. And if you guys have any cool ideas for the blocks, please leave a comment down below because I'd love to hear your suggestions of what you would put on them. I got my red and white, and now I'm going to do a pink. Oh, here it is. Okay, so I'm going to use Princess Pink. All right, so I decided that I'm going to do it in a purple, last block. And it's called Lavender Satchel. All right, so that is done. I'm going to let these all dry, and then when I come back, we're going to put our stencils on them. Yeah, we're going to put the stencils on them. All right, so our flag is all dry and put together, and I'm really happy with the way it came out. I am going to scuff it up, make it a little bit more rustic, and glue everything together, but overall, I'm very happy with the way this project came out. Again, please leave in the comments if anything you would do differently or how you liked it. I love to hear from you guys, so I'm very happy with this project. All right, so the stencils that I got with the kit are too big to fit on these, so I'm going to try hand painting my lettering on, and I'm going to do a heart for the O, and then the L-O-V-E, or L-O-V-E, oh my gosh, on the others. So. Ta-da! So there's my L. Like, again, I'm not super happy with it, but that's actually looking kind of cute. Here are my love blocks. Again, like I said, I'm going to try to make them changeable, add more stuff to them. But for now, this is my finished project. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And again, I'd love to hear your suggestions and your ideas. Thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next one.